Strategies for creating effective call to action. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore various strategies to help you grow your business and increase engagement. In today's video, we will be diving into the topic of creating effective call to actions and sharing some powerful strategies to optimize your conversion. So let's get started. Importance of CTAs. Before we delve into the strategies, let's quickly talk about the importance of call to actions. CTAs are crucial elements in any marketing campaign as they guide your audience to take specific actions, such as subscribing, purchasing, or signing up. A well-crafted CTA can significantly impact your conversion rates and drive desired results. Keep it clear and concise. The first strategy for creating effective CTAs is to keep them clear and concise. Your audience should be able to understand exactly what you want them to do. Avoid using vague or confusing language. Instead, use direct and action-oriented words that inspire immediate action. Use strong and compelling language. Another strategy is to use strong and compelling language in your CTAs. Instead of using generic phrases like "click here" or "learn more," consider using phrases that create a sense of urgency or highlight the benefits of taking action. For example, get your free ebook now or limited time offer. Shop today. Design and placement. The design and placement of your OI CTAs also play a crucial role in their effectiveness. Ensure that your CTAs stand out from the rest of your content by using contrasting colors, bold fonts, or eye-catching graphics. Additionally, strategically place your CTAs where they are easily visible and accessible to your audience. Offer incentives. Offering incentives is another powerful strategy to boost the effectiveness of your CTAs. People love getting something in return for their actions. Consider providing exclusive discounts, free trials, or bonus content to encourage your audience to click on your CTA. A/B testing. Last but not least, A/B testing is essential when it comes to optimizing your CTAs. Experiment with different variations of your CTAs to see which ones perform better. Test different wording, colors, button shapes, or even the placement of your CTAs. Collect data and analyze the results to make data-driven decisions. Take action with these effective CTA strategies. Optimize your CTAs today for increased conversions and engagement. Share your success stories below, and remember, well-crafted CTAs can make all the difference in achieving your goals. Create powerful CTAs that drive results. Subscribe for more business tips and marketing insights. Happy marketing!